In today's video, we will discuss how to take a U-turn at a signal. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes and follow their instructions. You can clearly see the traffic on the road. As we need to take a U-turn, first observe the lane markings. You can see that this lane is for going straight. Now we need to change lane. Wait for the signal to open. Turn on your indicator and wait for a safe gap. Since you have already turned on your indicator, when you try to change lane, the driver behind you will usually give you enough space to join safely. Now, this lane is for turning left, but you can also see one more lane here. This lane is for making a U-turn. If you stay in the left turn lane, you cannot make a U-turn. Always pay attention to the road markings and signboards. Make sure you focus on these during your road practice classes. As the U-turn lane starts here, you need to join this lane. Here you can see the sign. It is for turning left. Remember, you are a student. Always choose this lane for a U-turn and this lane for a left turn. Your instructor will guide you through everything during your practice classes. Now, pay close attention here. You cannot afford to make even a small mistake. If you start the U-turn too early, your car may touch this side. If you start the U-turn too late, your car may touch the other side. Ask your instructor to show you the exact turning point for making a U-turn. Now, join this lane. As you move, make sure you look to the right. Make sure you understand all of these points during your road practice sessions. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and make sure you practice them with your instructor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.